Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the feast of St. Ambrose. St. Ambrose was a man of many talents. He was a bishop, he was a theologian, a great preacher, a scripture scholar, a doctor of the church. He's credited with having converted and baptized the great St. Augustine. And he's also the patron saint of beekeepers. But that's not what I want to talk about today. What I want to talk about is the historical context in which Ambrose lived. He lived during a time of trouble and turmoil when the Roman Empire was under threat and beginning to crumble, and it would eventually fall apart about 150 years after the death of Ambrose. In the midst of that, Ambrose remained hopeful. He said that the church would survive the demise of the Roman Empire. And he said, and this is a quote, that the church would rise like a glowing moon over the fading Roman Empire. We are living in times of turmoil and trouble now. No, the United States is not falling apart, but we do have our own troubles and turmoil. And so the message of Ambrose today, I think, has to do with our being people of hope, that we keep a hopeful spirit in a time of trouble and turmoil, that we don't let current problems weigh us down so much that we lose our sense of hope about the future. We can look to Ambrose as an inspiration and as an example of someone whose faith kept his hope alive and kept his optimism about the future fresh. Thank you for watching today.